That's not the right color for 352 anyway.
We was gonna call you and
Turquoise color.
Yeah, it's blue, but it's a little other.
Yeah, they were looking it up earlier.
We were looking it up there earlier.
Yeah, shoot it.
You just want to hand rolling it up so you can
no,
put it
I
in?
want you to take the cap off it.
I'll pull a rod cap off and the main cap?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just retorque them.
It hasn't even been,
Run it and lift it in and
well,
pump
it's
it
got
down.
no oil in it, so it hasn't been turned over or anything.
Hard to see how long it's
Well, I
set.
can only go where I was told, so.
Yeah, well, I can tell you, it's never been turned over, but those hydraulic lifters shouldn't be able to push them down.
They never had no oil in them yet.
This one coming off easy?
There's a couple of them are.
Good.
There we go. Yeah, that was where up.
I just happened to notice on them too.
You're gonna rip the valve, take the valve pan cover, you got them glued.
Not the wizard.
See, that one you didn't care about.
Just because you said that, man, he made you wrong.
Yeah, you can see where they, that's clean where they put the new gasket on the. You
oil
see the
line
new
up
gasket?
there.
Come over this side, Sonny.
Huh?
Come over this side. You can see where it's got a
I
new
can see
intake gasket on it.
I can see the silicone.
Yeah, but you can see the gasket too. Right? It's got a
silicone,
new
yeah.
gasket there, right?
Well, I have no doubt she's been apart.
Yeah.
It wouldn't be that clean and that dry.
I'm gonna put these suckers back.
Look at the oil on this side here, so and then on top of that, but not much. Oh, I said the other one there, Chad.
Screw that
I didn't get a bolt in there, so.
I hope there's no more oil. I hope there is oil. She's gonna be coming out on the ground.
No oil, or she'll be dirtier than that.
Air ratchet? Want some air and a top
The chain, and I clean that crank up for that.
So I just want to make sure that somebody didn't put a set
Lick it
of
stick.
standard bearings on it without crank or something.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah.
What, people do that?
Well,
Been done before?
oh yeah, it's been done before. I mean,
I'm hoping that comes off.
when the engine's been apart, there's a very good chance that it could have a wrong
I had a punch there.
I don't know what's around here.
See what happens. You have any luck with the valve pan covers, I know that. Got her.
That gasket there, you get silicone on both sides too. See, Brett?
brand new oil pump on it.
That's not the cleanest, is it?
Bit of crap laying the bottom of that, but that might come down from the top too. Crap, look at ATF. Oh, a lot of
She's
stuff.
got some stuff oil in her because it's up in the pistons are full.
Mhm.
Which is no big deal.
They might have had it running and primed it, but that's good. What do you want to turn it up? Full cap? You just want to pull the center main and one rod cap?
Yep.
9/16.
Read my mind. What should those things to torque that?
We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out probably 56. Sometimes.
I thought you were lucky it didn't break the band gasket.
No, pan gas.
I just can't trust you to do nothing.
That's right. That's right.
Ever use
Keep
an
it apart. Look,
engine?
there's number 2. Look, this has been apart. There's number 2. There's they got number 1 here, and there's number 2 has been slid over there. So they've
Number one where?
number 5 is there. Number 1 right here.
That's the way it should be.
Yep, there's 5. Yeah, I gotta mark that. Yeah, that's right.
So what are you pulling the cap on?
Should go 1546.
Right, that's it. Yeah. I'm back.
Here's number 6. That should be number
3 it says. Here, we're gonna watch this rod here and make sure it don't fall out.
Shouldn't fall out.
No, it shouldn't, but. Yep, it's not one copper and hook. Oh, you got a piece of mica.
Yeah, he came prepared. What are you, an engine builder? Or just old school backyard mechanic?
No, just backyard mechanic.
There you go, I love it.
Well, there's a little bit of wear on it, but nothing.
Well, that's got no wear.
Really nothing.
Get this goddamn thing open.
Did you say you want me to find the torque on that? So we torque them down? So a torque wrench here, you want to torque that?
The brush torque wrench with
You know he did.
Stop.
That's got nothing in it. Unless it just blew away.
Sit there, son. Strip there.
The wind is not this place.
Here's the three, and the three's on this side here. Chad? Yes. The other can over.
Kind of blowing my stuff away here.
You want that laid across there?
I do.
Nathan, you gonna bolt that bad boy back on?
We gotta find the torque spec on it. So we can torque it down and change it.
You probably got it written down in his pocket.
He probably has. Here's the number. Where's the lock? Yeah. Okay. Okay.
That thing stays in place. Like it should.
There it goes, yeah. Want torque wrench? Nathan? It's nice you have one, but if you got one there, okay. There's the dots on the camshaft down there, so you need more off the camshaft. I want the old school one. Wipe all them filings off it real quick. We'll get them off. That's for sure. I got another one here somewhere. Over here. What's the size socket? 9/16.
There'll be a lock on this thing somewhere.
Pull this.
Oh. Look it up. See how close I am. I'll say it's at 85.
Probably an extension too. $59, $352.
That socket fit?
9/16.
The wrench is going the wrong way.
Okay, mains are 95 to 105. And steps are 25 for the mains. There's the said rods. Come on. socket's too thick in there, isn't it?
A little bit, yeah.
Need a chrome socket?
We need the adapter from 1/2 inch to 3/8 would make it way better. It's in. Is it the adapter there? Sure, it's got one there somewhere.
No, I think she is what they said it was. It's pretty good.
Gauge and stuff sitting right there.
Try this one.
Plastic gauge there.
Stuck down there.
Try this one.
Keep it over top of it so it's not right over the.
That's about, well, it's a little less than that, so, and that one is, it's only 0.51.
Yeah, it's funny how it's thick on that end. And look over here, it's not quite as thick on that side. But
It's on an angle.
yeah, it's on an angle there. But
So explain this to me, what you're doing here.
Well, I'm just checking the clearance between the bearing and the,
Okay, so
crankshaft.
what's the wide one? Is it the worst or the best?
The wide one might be too tight.
Oh, fuck. Excuse my licorice.
It's, we're on this one here. It says 0.002. That should be okay. They're new anyway. And it's not,
It's not wore in the copper, not wore or nothing on the. Well,
no, and it's not wore out of shape. And it's not, it would be, I find this stuff hard to read,
Yeah, I'm trying to fix this.
but no, I'd say she's good.
You want to check the crank one? Did you leave that on there? You pull it, slide that out.
Just
Wipe it
should
off.
go wipe that right off.
Plastic gauge, what it's called, isn't it?
Usually sticks to the cap.
Yeah.
You oiled it, so it probably.
Yeah, the oil we put on the cap probably. You can put that back on.
Just find the right locks want to go on the same end.
Yep. Yep, that's what we got. Lock there. Lock there.
Yep. Works for me.
Get a chrome 9/16 there now, it does. 1/2 inch, 4 inch.
No, this goddamn stuff is $12 a length.
Is it now? Oh, crap. It's been forever since I've done it. I'll grab a 3/4 for that. Nope.
Not backing off?
No, it just backed off there, but it's not clicking. 40 backed off.
Okay. So,
I'm gonna set that, put that back.
well, it's not tight enough yet.
No, yeah, it backed off already, so.
Well, let's get an idea. I set it at 45.